Hey guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you how you can do this 3D mockup as well as this 3D mockup. So if you would like to see how this can be done, how you can do it for yourself and do it for free, then continue watching this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how you can do a 3D mockup of your book cover. So here I am in Canva and I have my book cover created here. So first guys, I am going to download this book cover as a PNG file. Great. Now that the book cover is downloaded, we're now going to head over to the website where we can create that 3D mockup. So I'm going to be showing you two examples of 3D mockups on this particular website. So the name of the website is DIYbookcovers.com. So here we are on the website. And in order to create your 3D mockup, you're going to come here at book design. You're going to scroll down to where you see 3D mockups. Click on it. Now, to create your 3D mockup, it involves only 3 steps. The first is to choose a 3D mockup from the types that they have here. So they have single and composite. These are the single ones. I'll soon be showing you what the composite looks like. So we're first going to create a single mockup. So I'll be choosing this hardcover looking book here to work with. So I'm going to click on it. Then click next. Then I'm going to upload my image. So now we're going to click on browse to upload the image from our computer. Then we're going to click on the particular image that we need. Then here on the website, you're going to click on the button that says upload, scroll down and ensure that this goes up to 100% before you do anything else. So now that it's at 100%, we're going to click next. So the final step, guys, is to download your free mockup. And you have two options. You have PNG and you have JPG. We are going to download it as a PNG file. And we just now wait for it to download. Now let's take a look at it and see what it looks like. Okay, great. So here we have it, guys. We can see that our cover is nicely displayed on this mockup here. So now I'm going to show you how you can do a composite mockup. So let's go back to the website. Okay, so here we are again. Go down to, we're at book design, go down to 3D mockups. And now we're going to do a composite mockup. So the composite mockups, guys, look like this. So it's basically more than one of the single mockup types combined together. So which one should we choose? All right, let's work with this one. So again, guys, you just select the mockups composite that you want to work with. Then you click next. Then the next step is to upload the image from your computer. Click on the image that you need. Click upload. Ensure that it goes to 100% down here at the bottom. Now that it's at 100%, we're going to click next. Now we're going to move on to the next step, which is to download your free mockup. So we're going to choose PNG format and wait for it to download. Now that it's downloaded, guys, let's take a look at it. Fabulous. So here we have our book cover shown here. So guys, that's it. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them and I will respond to you. So guys, that's it for today. Until my next video, I'll talk to you then. Goodbye.